Hi, this is Mareesha Parikh and I am the Chief Entertainment Officer at Nautanki Company. I'm here in the city of Ahmedabad, yes, the Guju land. And I'm here for my third rendition and interpretation of our base concept created by Nautanki Company, Jeevan Utsav.
उनके आशीर्वाद के साथ इस परिवार के बड़ों को तिलक लगाकर सम्मान करते हैं।
So at Nautanki Company, our approach towards any kind of content creation means that the client needs to give us complete liberty, and there are, in that sense, no strings attached. If it means we are compromising on what the output is going to be, then it's a big no-no from our side. And I think our clients love us for our frankness, a bit of audacity. But I think it works out really well because at the end they know we want to achieve something remarkable. So drone shows are relatively new in India. I think globally, especially in Middle East, it's been done and almost dusted. And one thing I realize is that it's very important for every client to understand the quantum matters, definitely. It scales up the whole show. The duration should be left to the creator as long as you know what it takes to help that guest just keep looking up in awe.